What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Like I said to you in the last video of the Rainbow Fund. So the past video was just a tutorial to show you around the project, okay? And today is going to be the investment day, okay? Today is the day that I'm going to start to roll with the project, okay? Like I said to you, if you're not familiar with this one, this is a platform where it pays from 11% to 15% daily, okay, guys, for 15 days, okay? And there is more. The time is limited, and the purchase will be stopped after the order purchase quantity is reached, okay? So if you come over here to staking, we can see that we have some limits. We have some percentage right here that shows how long will take to reach the max. Okay, so once the max is reached, no more staking will be available. Okay, over here in the platform, we can see the total recharge is 93K, total withdrawal 35K, total registrations 5,530 people. Okay, so how to go about with this project? Okay, so let me just show you how to recharge. So as you can see right here, staking total amount is 1 million. I think is 1 million. I can't really read this number; it's too long, and the numbers are too small. But I think it's 1 million. So we have 21,000, 215,000 invested in this um, staking package number one. Okay, so that's the staking package number one that I'm going to invest into. Okay, and as you can see right here, the minimum balance to invest is $10 and the maximum is $300. And then on the next one, the minimum is 500 and goes all the way to 3,000. Okay, obviously, the more you invest, the more you will receive. And over here, we have total stake of 10,000, or no, 102,000. Okay, so let's recharge this thing and let's place our stake. So in order to recharge, you got to come over here and hit recharge. Okay, recharge means deposit. Okay, now I'm gonna select the currency that I want to stake. In this case, USDT and BEP20. Okay, USDT BEP20, and we're gonna go with 200. Okay, so USDT BEP20, $200. Okay, so you hit submit, and then excuse me, um, you gotta send the 200 USDT BEP20 to this wallet right here. So we're gonna copy this wallet, successfully copied. Okay, now we're gonna go over to MetaMask right here, and we're gonna hit send. Okay, so we're gonna paste the wallet address right there. Make sure you confirm 0x35F and 268. 0x35 268. So it matches. So 200 USDT BEP20. Okay, very important. This is on Binance Smart Chain. Okay, USDT BEP20. Okay, so I'm happy with that. So I'm gonna transfer. I'm gonna go. Let me just check again. Yeah, BEP20. Make sure that you check everything. You can either send $10 just for confirmation, and then once the $10 lands, you are sure that everything went well, and you can then send the rest of the amount that you want to send. Okay, you can do it that way, right? So if you're not 100% sure about it, okay. So once you've done that, so transaction has been confirmed. So now we just gotta wait, okay. So after recharging, if the account has not been received for a long time, please contact the customer service. Hopefully that won't be necessary. It might take a few seconds to a few minutes, 10 minutes, an hour, I don't know. This is my first time doing the deposit, okay? And then once that's done, we should be good to go. So let's refresh the page and let's see what's up. Okay, so nothing here yet. So once what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna pause the video, and then once the funds land on my account, I will continue the video and show you what to do next. So stay tuned in. And there you have it, guys. So we made the transfer on the what time was that? So it took a few minutes. It took a few minutes. So let me just have a look here. So 8:15, okay, 8:15. So it's now um um over here it says 15:19. Okay, so roughly about 4 or 5 minutes. Okay, and as you can see right here, the balance is recharged. Okay, so now we're gonna go back to staking. Okay, and we're gonna select the package number one. Okay, so package number one, we can see everything. Okay, so 11.6% daily ROI, 15-day cycle, number, I don't really know what this is, and stayed ongoing. Okay, so remember guys, once this bar reached the 100%, that means no more staking will be available. Okay, keep that in mind. Okay. So now we have a few options. We don't have the option to stake 200 bucks in one go. Okay, so what we'll do is we're gonna do two stakes of 100. Okay, yeah, we don't have the option to edit. No, but as you can see right here, the balance is 200. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna select 100 and we're gonna choose staking. Okay, and we are in, and we're gonna go back. And as you can see right here, the balance has changed. We're going to go back to 100 again, and we're going to hit staking again. Okay. So now we are in the project. Okay. We are accruing the rewards. Okay. And over here, as soon as we go along, every 24 hours, you should be able to come over here and see your rewards. So 100 bucks. Making 11% a day, so that will be $11.66 available to collect your rewards in each plan. Okay, because I have two plans, I will have 22 points or $23.2 available for collection. Okay, so prior to collect, you gotta view an ad. Okay, so the ad is not available yet, or is. Okay, you come over here and yeah, it takes you to this page. So I'm not really sure what to do with this page, but tomorrow I will come over here and let y'all know. Okay, okay, we got the harvest over here. All right, so all you got to do is click on the ads, and you can close the page. And as you can see right here, now we have the harvest button. Okay, but obviously I have nothing to harvest, so uh, I'm not going to harvest anything. Okay, so same goes to this one. All you got to do, click on view ads, and then once you go back, you can see that you have the harvest button to harvest your rewards. Okay, and that's that, guys. For some reason, we got 4 plans over here. But anyway, that's that. So that's the update about this project. So tomorrow or the next few days, I'll come over here and I'm going to show you how to harvest and everything else. So you gotta harvest, okay? And then once you click harvest, your rewards will come over here, okay? So you will have your balance over here available for withdraw. And then all you gotta do is hit withdraw, select the currency that you want to receive, either BUSD or USDT, okay? You paste your wallet address, you paste your amount, the amount that you want to withdraw, and you click confirm, okay? And essentially that's that, right? So I will do that in the next few videos, so probably tomorrow or so. Okay, I need to give it 24 hours in order to see some rewards on this thing. Okay, so come over here to my order and we can see that, right? So that being said, guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.